I didn't film a lot of the unplugging and everything. It was fairly easy because my motor already had all the AGRs, all the emission stuff taken out. Just I think ever since I got the truck, this was a rebuilt motor, but I think they put the head gaskets on backwards, which means like the left on the right and the right on the left. So I always had heating problems. So I just decided to take it out. And I'm not running original harness. I have a Mega Squirt standalone system for it. So that's why it makes it fairly easy just to unplug everything quick. Just disconnected everything. Motor coming out. Have the new motor back here. Already ready to install. 3.4 5EZ liter. We'll see what comes along in doing this swap. First time. Let's see how it goes.